So, hello and welcome to a new vlog. In this vlog we do have a little problem and we are going to solve that problem. We got ourselves a low car problem. If you saw my latest video, I have a problem with the garage entrance. My car is too low for coming to the garage, so my plan is to have these ones kinda thick and place them outside that door so we can drive in our car. So hopefully we can fix that without the car scraping at all. The best would be if we can fix it without any scraping at all. So stay tuned and we will try to fix that problem. Well, my plan here is to cut the wooden plank like this. So when you drive up to this plank, we will have a smoother ride up to the plank. So the wooden planks are cut and done, so let's try it out and see if it's scraping. So write in the comment below if you think it will scrape. Scrape. So put a comment below what you think and let's try it out. So, my final solution is, well, this. We have a little scraping, like middle of here, but no worries. It's plastic and it's against wood, so just listen. It will be nice, awesome. So that went smooth as hell, and now when we have figured out how the hell we are supposed to get our car inside the garage, we can now just put the planks out and roll it in and start doing some nasty ass shit. So if you haven't followed, press the subscribe button, leave a comment, and well, I hope you guys got some inspiration for your own low car if it has some low springs. Well, shit. If you have some problems with your own low car. So until next week, I'm trying to upload every Sunday at, I don't know which time, but every Sunday. I'm trying to upload every Sunday, so see you guys at next Sunday.